For data presentation, sometimes you need charts. In Excel, you have different types of charts like column chart, bar chart, pie chart, XY chart, and sparkling charts. And every chart consists of different elements like chart area, plot area, series, verticals and horizontal axes, grid lines, and chart title. All these things we will discuss again while we working on chart. In our today's video, we will discuss about column charts. So before I start my video further, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my all videos future notification. In this table, you can see the sales of different marketing people. So I want to create a column chart for this data. You can create a chart very quickly by using shortcut Alt plus F1. But before use this shortcut, you need to select this data. And now you can use shortcut Alt F1. And you can see I get the column chart very quickly. This is a shortcut method to create a chart. There's another method. For this you have to delete this chart first. Now go to the insert ribbon and here you can find chart section. In the chart section, the first option is recommended charts. So before click on recommended charts, select your data, then click on recommended chart. Here you have multiple chart options, but we will go to the first option, column chart. So click on this and then click on OK. Now your column chart is ready in front of you. There is a third method to create the chart. First you select your data and again go to the insert ribbon, then go to the chart section and here you can find the first option, insert column or bar chart. Click on this and here you can find first option, 2D column chart. When you click on this, your chart is ready. If you notice that every time I have select the data first and then click on chart option. But you can also create the chart and select your data later on. For this, first I go to the insert ribbon and again chart section and click on the first option and select your chart. Click on this and here you can find blank chart area. Just right click on this and here you can find option select data. Click on this. Now you select your data range and then click OK. And you can see your chart is ready now. Now we will discuss about chart elements. This is chart area. On the top of the chart, this is chart title. And here you can find plot area. On the plot area, you can see the lines. These are the grid lines. And if you see in the bottoms, these are horizontal axes. And these are vertical axes. These are chart elements. Before we need to move on advanced charts, we have to know about these basic things. So hopefully guys you like this video, and if you have any question about this thing, you can ask in the comments. Thank you so much.